So I bought a warranty from a company called Ideal Auto, and thinking that, you know what, since we do warranty services here, let me deal with these guys so that way I can service my own vehicles too. So I bought two warranties actually, one for the Porsche, one for the Ford Raptor. The Porsche was sold after I broke up with Gabriella, and I want my money back on the warranty. I want some reimbursement. They said they will give me my money back. It's been 2 years, they still haven't given me my money back. Now on the Raptor, it needs a transmission. I took the transmission to the transmission shop. They said we'll cover it. I sat at the transmission shop for about a month. The transmission shop is already done. They got the okay, and now they haven't paid for it, and now the transmission shop wants to get their money. So I have to go over there, pick up my truck, pay them, come back. Now I have to fight that stupid company. That's some crooked, shady ass company for real. Watch out, it's called Ideal Auto. I will never deal with them.